Here are 10 foods with no carbs and sugar, each described in detail along with ways to use them in your meals. These foods are perfect for anyone following a low-carb or ketogenic diet, and they offer plenty of versatility and nutritional benefits. Whether you're looking to boost your protein intake, add healthy fats, or simply reduce carbs, these ingredients can form the foundation of many tasty dishes. Let's explore these nutrient-dense, carb-free foods and how they can be incorporated into your everyday cooking. But before we dive into these foods, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Number 1. Meat. Meat like beef and lamb is entirely free of carbs and sugar, making it a staple for low-carb diets. It provides essential nutrients like protein, iron, and B vitamins. You can cook it by grilling, roasting, or pan-searing to bring out rich flavors. Ground beef or pork is great for burgers, meatloaf, or tacos. Braised or slow-cooked meat works wonderfully in stews, becoming tender and flavorful. Serve with low-carb vegetables like spinach or broccoli for a balanced meal. Number 2. Poultry. Like chicken, turkey, duck is a lean, protein-rich option with no carbs or sugars. Chicken can be baked, grilled, or stir-fried, making it versatile for different meals. Turkey is excellent for roasting, soups, or used ground in recipes like turkey burgers. Duck is fattier but flavorful, perfect when roasted or seared. Use shredded chicken or turkey in salads, tacos, or wraps. Pair with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado for a satisfying, low-carb meal. Number 3. Fish. Like salmon, tuna, mackerel is packed with protein and healthy omega-3 fatty acids, and it contains no carbs or sugar. Salmon can be baked or grilled with lemon and herbs for a delicious, heart-healthy meal. Tuna steaks are ideal for searing and pair well with vegetables or salads. Mackerel, with its rich, oily texture, can be smoked or grilled for intense flavor. All of these fish work well in low-carb sushi rolls using cauliflower rice. You can also add them to salads or make fish cakes for a quick meal. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile, carb-free food that's also high in protein and essential vitamins. Scrambled, fried, or poached eggs make a quick and nutritious meal. Omelets with cheese, spinach, and mushrooms are great for breakfast or lunch. Hard-boiled eggs are convenient for snacks or sliced over salads. You can also use eggs in low-carb baking, like muffins or bread. They're perfect as a base for keto dishes like egg muffins or frittatas. Number 5. Cheese. Like cheddar, mozzarella, parmesan is low in carbs and sugar while being rich in fats and protein. Cheddar can be used in casseroles, melted over vegetables, or eaten as a snack. Mozzarella works well in salads, on pizzas using cauliflower crust, or stuffed into chicken breasts. Parmesan adds depth to soups, roasted vegetables, or sprinkled over salads. You can also enjoy cheese on its own, or pair it with nuts for a low-carb snack. It's a great ingredient to add creaminess to low-carb dishes like sauces or baked dishes. Number 6. Shellfish. Like shrimp, crab, lobster are naturally low in carbs, high in protein, and offer a delicious seafood option. Shrimp is versatile and can be sautéed, grilled, or boiled for salads, stir-fries, or curries. Crab is great for making crab cakes or as a salad topping, adding a rich flavor. Lobster can be grilled or steamed and served with butter or garlic sauce. You can also incorporate shellfish into soups, like a seafood bisque. These are perfect options for special meals or quick, nutrient-dense dishes. Number 7. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat with no carbs or sugars, and it's a staple in many low-carb diets. Use it for sautéing vegetables, as a dressing for salads, or drizzled over roasted meats. It's rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a heart-healthy choice. You can also use olive oil in marinades for meats or fish. Mix it with herbs and spices to make a flavorful dipping sauce for low-carb bread or veggies. It's also ideal for roasting vegetables to add a rich, nutty flavor. Number 8. Butter. Butter is carb-free and provides healthy fats, making it perfect for low-carb cooking. Use it to cook eggs, meats, or vegetables for a rich, satisfying flavor. It adds a creamy texture to sauces, especially in dishes like keto Alfredo or garlic butter shrimp. Butter can also be used in low-carb baking, providing a base for keto-friendly desserts. You can melt butter over steamed vegetables or use it in mashed cauliflower for a rich side dish. It's also great for searing meats, adding both flavor and moisture. Number 9. Avocado. Avocados are incredibly nutrient-dense with healthy fats, fiber, and almost no carbs. They're versatile, making them perfect for salads, smoothies, or as a topping for eggs. You can mash avocado into guacamole or slice it into salads or sandwiches. Add it to smoothies for creaminess without the carbs, or simply enjoy it with salt and olive oil. Avocados are also excellent as a topping for meats or paired with seafood like shrimp or tuna. They're a staple in low-carb diets due to their rich, satisfying texture. Finally, number 10. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a healthy fat with no carbs, making it ideal for cooking in low-carb diets. It has a high smoke point, making it perfect for frying or sautéing. You can use it in keto-friendly baking, such as muffins, bread, or fat bombs. It's also great for making curries, as its rich flavor pairs well with spices like turmeric and cumin. Use coconut oil as a replacement for butter in vegan dishes, or add it to smoothies for a fat boost. It's also excellent for roasting vegetables, adding a tropical flavor. Incorporating these carb and sugar-free foods into your diet can help you maintain a healthy lifestyle while keeping your meals satisfying and nutrient-dense. By focusing on whole, unprocessed options like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy, you can easily create delicious, low-carb dishes that support your dietary goals. Whether you're cooking a quick weeknight meal or preparing a more elaborate dish, these ingredients offer endless possibilities for flavorful, balanced eating. Remember to pair these foods with non-starchy vegetables and healthy fats for a complete and nutritious meal. With a little creativity in the kitchen, eating low-carb can be both enjoyable and sustainable.